In this video, I will show how to archive files and folders using WinRaR. So you can add missing entry in the right-click context menu. Open your File Explorer and select your files or folders, then right-click on it. Now here you will get this WinRaR. Then click on Add to Archive. You can select Format, RAR or ZIF. Then click on OK. So as we can see now, we have this archive folder. Select them, then right click WinRAR and add to archive. And once you open it, so you will get these all files. And guys, once you right click and you are not getting this option, WinArchive, so you can try this method. Search here WinRAR, open it. Now here options. Now here click on repair. Now here options, settings, integration, and select these three options. If any one of these boxes are unselected, so select them. Then click on OK. Click on yes. Now right click, so you will get this option. Thanks for watching.